welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my Herbie dinner rolls. This bread is just so amazing and easy to make, so kindly like my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and let's get down to this gorgeous easy dish. So here I'll be proofing my yeast with some warm water, a bit of sugar, and then the yeast. The essence of this process is to check if the yeast is actually still good. So you can actually skip it and just add it dry and then set it aside. I'll be leaving all the measurement in the description box below. Do check that. So I'm using some fresh garlic cloves. I'm going to pulse that and then blend that until it is not necessarily very smooth, but then just like this, as you can see. So I'll be adding some salt here and my all-purpose flour. Yep. You can use bread flour if you have, but I use all-purpose flour. So I'm going to pulse that until it's all mixed together. Yeah, and now it's time to add our herbs. I'll be using dried basil and some dried parsley. For some reason, I feel these herbs just add an extra oomph to any pastry that it's used in. Like it just takes it from 0 to 100 like real quick. So you're going to pulse that. Now it's time to mix our dry into our wet. As you can see, our yeast has proofed, so yep. So pour that in and then using your fingertips, just mix it basically until it forms a ball. Now it's time to add your unsalted butter. So fold that in. Yep. Now it's ready to proof. So add some oil around the side so that it doesn't stick so much to the bowl, and then cover and allow to rise for about 2 hours until it's double in size, basically in your one place. Yes, and then go do something else with yourself. So guys, it has risen. So now we're going to transfer it to our clean surface, and then we're going to portion it out. Basically just flatten it with your palms and then cut it into different sizes because we're going to roll it. So yeah, so just flatten it out with your fingertips and then fold it inwards, and then when you get to the edge, pinch it together just like that, and then turn that side downwards onto the flat surface and then roll. That way you have a very smooth, even ball just like that, and then put it in your prep baking sheet. I had some parchment paper that I had prepped already with some oil, basically. Yep, see how gorgeous it looks. Now cover this and allow it to rise again for like another 45 1 hour. Wow, just look how gorgeous this thing is. Like, it's so beautiful. So I baked this for like 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, and my whole house was smelling of heaven in it. Just look guys, look. You can have this with butter, you can have this with jam, you can have this with anything. You just eat it alone like I did. Thank you so much for going on this journey with me. Until next time guys.